Gungaloosh, everybody. How you doing? Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while. I've been, kind of busy weighing with life and work and all that. But I wanted to let you all know that I have a pretty big project coming up. More details on that coming up. I hope it's going to end up being a really big hit. I hope you all enjoy it. But until then, I want to issue a challenge to 3 people individually, but anybody else who might be watching this. And since it is the summertime, we are in the end of July, still middle of summer. We're all got a lot of hot dogs and whatever left over. So let's celebrate the summer right before Halloween kicks in, because I know we're all excited about Halloween Horror Nights and well, some of us are excited about Hallow Scream. I never really experienced it, so I'm going to give it a try this year. But we are going to do the Weird Al Sandwich Challenge. So what you need is basically 3 simple ingredients to make this sandwich. It's not a traditional sandwich, and when you hear it, you're gonna be like, oh God, no. But just to show you, it can be done easily, and it's not as disgusting as it sounds. It's called the Twinkie Wiener sandwich. First off, you start with, everyday, regular Twinkie. I can't believe these actually came back, for that matter. So you start off with a simple Twinkie. The question is, I don't know where I'm supposed to make the incision, whether it be down the dome portion or along the back where the inserts are. So I think that's where I'm gonna make the insertion. There we go. All right, and we do a little food porn, and yep, you can see all the cream right there. Then you want to take a small hot dog. You don't want to take like a foot long or something. You want to take something about the same size as the bun. And that fits pretty well, actually. That's only almost perfect fit. Now there is a third ingredient, which you need string cheese. And it's got to be string cheese. Should I be worried about cheese you don't need to refrigerate? Oh well, that's a problem for another day. All right, so we just put a nice little helping of cheese on there. Oh God. There it goes. Look at that. This is the real deal. All right, yeah, just go for it. Wow, that is not as disgusting as I thought it would be. It's actually kind of good in the weirdest of ways. All right, so the 3 guys I need to issue challenges to also make one of these babies is Justin from the Morning Monorail podcast, Jay from Square Pegs, and Chris from Ear to Ear Magic. All those YouTube channels, links will be below. Subscribe to them and tell them, and pass this on to anybody else you want to issue the challenge to. But unfortunately, you gotta make it yourself. That is so weird. It shouldn't be that good, but it is. Well, that's it, guys. Like I said, more stuff is coming down the pipeline. Stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Go ahead, like and subscribe. The same kind of stuff. But man, I can't get over this. Just a normal hot dog, Twinkie, and string cheese. Whew, it sticks to the top of the mouth too. Thanks for watching, guys.